So today I'm going to be doing a trifle, and this recipe that I am going to be using is a homemade recipe, and the things that I will be needing are peaches, peach jam, strawberry yogurt, some whipping cream, and a trifle sponge. And then the utensils I will be needing is a knife, two spatulas, three bowls, and a whipper. So first I am gonna start by cutting the sponge in half and in smaller pieces to put it in the bowl. I just opened the peaches jar and I'm gonna drain the juice out of the can into this jug. Now I am gonna be cutting the peaches in slices so I can put them on the trifle. Now I am going to be cutting the sponge into tiny pieces to fit them in the bowl. For the first layer. Now with the spatula and the fork, I am going to be putting jam on the first layer of sponge. Now I am going to put some of the syrup on the sponge and the jam. Now it's time for the first layer of peaches. Now that the sponge, the jam, and the syrup and the peaches are in, it's time for the yogurt. Now that the first layer is laid, it's time for the second layer, and I'm going to start with the second layer of sponge. I need to cut this. So it's important to keep the kitchen clean like I just did, and now it's time to put the last layer, and I'm going to start whipping the cream. So I just finished whipping the cream, and now to put it on. The trifle is finished, and to top it up I used some strawberries that we had left in the fridge, and it looks very delicious.
Cause I'm all over you. Are you all over me? True, it hurts when you see rainy days are too cheap to get to me. Cause I'm all over you. Are you all over me? True, it hurts when you see rainy days are too cheap to get to me. Are you all over me? when you say rainy days are too cheap to get to me. 'Cause I'm all over you. Are you all over me? True, it hurts when you say rainy days are too cheap to get to me.